Good morning, good morning. Today we have a vlog. My voice is a little bit deep because I just woke up, but yes, we do have a vlog. I mentioned in my how to build a routine video about high energy and low energy days, and I really been wanting to give y'all a glimpse of like what does that look like high energy moments and low energy moments. So today I was feeling low. Okay, so for today, I am going downstairs. I'm about to make breakfast. So I can tell y'all what we kind of gonna be going through. Just a regular day. Breakfast, I like to work out. I like to learn. So I pick something to learn. That's gonna be the main things, even getting dressed, skincare, how I just go through where it's like, okay, these are the things I wanted to get done on that list that we talked about in the routine video. And this is how I'm getting it done on them low energy days. Okay, so this is breakfast. It may look fancy, but it's absolutely not. I just have cereal. I have fruit. This was pre-cut. It was just in there. I just added the, put it in a little cup to, I guess, make it look fancy, but it's not fancy. And some cookies. That's it. That's my regular breakfast. I will have some tea. I don't feel like making tea. Lazy morning. We're going to drink us some water. So for my skincare, low energy, you guys know that I like to do my skincare, but I have a lot of steps, especially if you see my detailed one on long days. This is my low energy one. I washed my face and now I'm putting on eye serum. I would usually skip eye serum, to be honest, but I could not skip it because I had, I've been getting worse. My dark circles been getting worse and worse and worse. So couldn't skip this time. Now I'm gonna put on my serum. This is the peptide serum. This is the serum I felt like I was getting the most results from. So that's why I chose this one. And I hope y'all can see, I'm doing the bare minimum, right? But I think y'all can see that this is not spreading. I've used the same amount, but it's not spreading exactly like it would if I did all my other steps before. I don't know if y'all have noticed, if y'all noticed that or not, but I'm gonna use a little bit more just because of that. All right. Now I'm gonna do my eye gel. The last thing I'm gonna do is use my Keys Soul Care Transformation Cream. This is just lotion. It's a thicker lotion though, because as y'all see, I skipped a lot of steps. So my skin is not as plumped and as hydrated as I would like. So I'm gonna use quite a bit of this and rub it in. Might use a little too much, cause it's looking like sunscreen. Okay. And then now, the last thing I'm gonna do is put on lip balm, and boom. My eyebrows are probably the most low energy thing about me. I don't care. It's a low energy day. I don't have time to be finicking with my eyebrows, okay? So, what we about to do is, we're about to hair. I got braids, most low energy style ever, but I do need to refresh them because the type of braids I have, baby, I went to sleep outside my bonnet. I went to sleep with a bonnet, ain't no braids under nothing. I did a braid out on this hair the other day. It came out really cute. But for now, what I'm about to do is take my Mazzani 25. For now, what I'm about to do is take my Mazzani 25 Miracle Milk with 25 benefits apparently for a leave-in conditioner. And I'm gonna just spray that on my head because I don't have the time. Now my hair has a little bit of moisture. This is necessary every couple of days, whether you have these type of braids or not, but especially for me with these type of braids, I feel like it's really necessary. Okay, now that that's done, I'm actually about to finish getting dressed. So I'm gonna take y'all out with me so that I can finish getting dressed, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna put on this jacket. I got thrifting. It is a La Living jacket in a large. Got this thrifted. I have some fleece leggings that I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna just, I think I'm gonna tuck it in a little bit. Yeah, flip it in kind of. I don't want to tuck it in too much because that gives me a belly. And I'm doing something really simple. This is low energy. Then I have these shoes. They're cute. I don't know what kind of shoes these are. My sister gave them to me. I think she got them from Shein. A brown purse I may or may not change. My brown purse to match the kicks. I'm also gonna put these on. My sister found these dupes. They're AirPod dupes, I think. Put it on. And last but not least, I had to go get it. That's why I'm breathing like this. It's my Dolce & Gabbana, the one. Love this. That's my fragrance for today. This is the fit. Okay, so we're about to exercise and we're about to eat lunch before we exercise. So one, the little cookie. I didn't finish this for breakfast, so I just brought it. And then I usually make a smoothie or something, like a little drink. But this time I did not, y'all. I added a little bit of boba. Yes, that was extra. But other than that, just some lemonade that was already made. I couldn't do it with the smoothie. For my meal, I'm not eating nothing crazy. Baby, I'm just eating these. These are amazing, 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 amazing. All right, time to head out, enjoy our thing. I'm about to listen to some music and I'll see y'all on the flip side.
Everything I do it with a passion. If I gotta be a bitch, I'ma be a bad one. I'm AI with the designs direct. Bounce back, game good while we talking practice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pull up score when I want to. Best thing that's to heaven. They be trying to count me out though. I'm just counting blessings. A real woman by the pay. Niggas don't know where I came from. Where I really came up. You never could say I'm lacking. All the shit I've been through only made me more of an assassin.
Alright, y'all, it's a lot of time later and I actually need to upload this low energy vlog. So what I'm going to end this vlog with is actually some low energy editing. So I'm going to show y'all, like, on my low energy days, what does it look like when I'm editing. So I'm going to have my computer up and I'm going to do a screen recording. So bear with me. I'm going to start the screen recording and I'm also going to be having the camera so y'all can see the frustration, whatever I'm mentally going through while I'm actually recording on my computer. Okay, y'all, so I do have everything up on my MacBook. Y'all see my screen recording. Y'all probably are going to see me. I haven't figured out how I'm going to edit it yet. But here we go. I do all my recording on my MacBook. If y'all want to see how that goes, not my recording. I do all my recording on my phone, most of it. And then I do all my editing on my MacBook. It makes it really easy. And I'll show y'all how to do certain stuff later. But for now, we're going to do this. I look so pale. I really don't want to use these clips. I look so pale. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today we have a... Okay, so I'm going to add this. Because this was when we were eating. And then I'm going to add this. This one, I've never done this before. But this one, I forgot to... Yeah, I need it to be flipped. Thank you. All right. Same with this. What in the world? Need that to be flipped. It's always at my end screen and just my little transition in between, which... I'm gonna take off my glasses because it's a low energy day anyways, and I already seen the film and I didn't like it. My big old ring light in my glasses, Jesus. But if I was editing, and usually when I edit, I do like to have my glasses on because I could just see details that I wouldn't see before. But all I'm gonna do right now is just go through it real quick. Good morning, good morning. Today we have a vlog. My voice is a little bit deep because I just... We're gonna do rough cuts. Yes, we do have a... I already know what I like to use with my audio, so that's really low energy. And I just need to decide if I'm gonna keep this part or not. That's all I'm doing. Okay, so for today, I am going downstairs. I'm about to make breakfast. So I'm not keeping the rest of that. Anyways, now this whole thing, y'all want to see me eat? I don't feel like y'all want to see me eat. I don't want to see me eat. All of this where I'm not in the angle. When I start talking right there. Delete. Lazy morning. Anything that don't have sound, I'm deleting because this isn't going to be that type of vlog. At least this part. This part, I'm not going to be putting any, like, audio or anything. So I'm just going to do a rough cut. Anywhere where I'm not talking, I'm going to delete. I don't really know what music I want to put right here, but I do know I'm going to put music. I'm going to go back. This is just the rough everything. So I know that this, for the most part, is how I'm going to have the flow of the video. I'm going to go back and, like, cut it for real. Like, listen to what I said. Listen to, like, okay, the details. How I did a little bit here, but not really. But this is just the rough cut of everything, and it seems good so far. Y'all seen I got 40 something, not 40, it was like 35 minutes or something like that. If y'all were looking, I got it down to 12 minutes right now. And it's going to be even lower once I finish everything. So just keep a lookout for that, you guys. Make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you share this video so that we can get some more people into this potato family. You feel me? And last but not least, come on, guys. You know what you gotta do. You know what you gotta do. You gotta subscribe to my channel so you can grow with your girl. And so you can grow with your girl. Bye, guys, because I'm tired. Low energy.